He's my pet and my best friend. I have a dog and his name is Ben. He's my pet and my best friend. He's large, furry, and very white. With brown patches all about his sides. He has big eyes, soft and round.
You're just going in circles. What about your dance?
His name is Ben. He's my
Oh.
best friend. I have a dog. His name is Ben. He's
Whoop.
my
A little dizzy.